Radharani just, she's behind a tree and then she just glances at Krishna like nonchalantly, I don't care. This Krishna, Veno krani patitas kalitam shikandam. Veno krani patitas kalitam shikandam. And Radharani Suniti, Veno karani patitam. Veno karan, kara means hand, karatal. Karatal, talabit, hand. So Veno karani patita skalitam shikandam. So Radharani, just when she glances at Krishna, then first thing that happens, Veno nipati, patita pavan avatar. Everyone's heard this term, patita pavan. Pavan means purifier, because pavan is a name for wind. The wind god is called Vayura Pavan. So Krishna says in the Gita, of purifiers, I am pavan. Pavano asmi. I am the wind god. So, because he says a purifier, the wind is purifying. You hang your clothes out, the sun shines, the wind blows, and they become pure. So this patita means to fall down. Oh, I'm mahapatit. You must have heard these terms. I'm so fallen, which, that